All users can switch the default Popologist avatar to your own custom 3D avatar created by you. Just press Change Avatar below the dancing First Popologist mascot in your Popologist dashboard. You will then be prompted to select gender and body details like hair, eyes, and skin tone. You can choose unique outfits and headgear too. Copy the URL generated and hit Next. You can update your 3D avatar whenever you want. Accomplished.
Please allow all social media continents to populate the PopSphere workspace.
You are now exiting the PopSphere. You have entered the new Popology Megaverse. Choose the metaverse environment you wish to explore. Your avatar can now transport you to navigate immersive experiences.